Hello, bright minds. Welcome to Healthy Life channel. Today, we're unveiling a simple secret that can boost your brain power with just one glass a week. Let's dive in. The power of brain-boosting foods. Let's explore how certain foods can enhance your cognitive abilities by fueling your brain. Ingredients. We're using a blend of brain-boosting ingredients: blueberries for memory support, spinach for nutrients that enhance cognitive function, walnuts for omega-3 fatty acids, beets to improve blood flow to the brain. Preparing the brain-boosting juice. Combine blueberries, spinach, walnuts, and a beetroot in a blender. Add water and blend until smooth. Benefits of the Smart Juice. This juice is a brain powerhouse. Blueberries improve memory, spinach provides essential nutrients, walnuts enhance cognitive function, and beets boost blood flow to the brain. The once-a-week routine. Here's the trick. Drink this juice just once a week for a concentrated brain-boosting dose. Remember, this juice is one part of the puzzle for a healthy brain. A balanced diet, exercise, and mental stimulation are equally important.